What's up, guys? Happy Sunday. Oh, wait. Happy whatever day it is that you're watching this, because I don't know when I'm gonna have this video up. Today is Sunday, but maybe you're watching it on Thursday, so happy Thursday. If you're new to the channel, definitely like this video and subscribe if you like what you see. And if you are not, if you're a part of the internet family, welcome back. So today, as you see by the title, I am unboxing some shoes, and not only just some, I mean, they are shoes, but not only, I don't know what I'm saying. I'm unboxing Yeezy 450s. And thanks to my friends over at Stockpile, I was able to get these shoes. They sent them to me in the color Resin. I don't even know what color that is, but I've heard from people that it's like a greenish color, but then some people say that it's tan. I got the shoe, so I can tell you what color it is from my perspective. I actually was going to take my time and film this video, but my friends actually just reached out to me and they're at brunch and I'm missing out. So I'm going to run through this unboxing very quickly, and I will of course try to pair an outfit and put the shoe on so that you guys can see how it actually fits and how it looks up close and full body. Oh wait, this could be like an ASMR video. Okay. So, as you see, 450 on the front, Adidas on the back, Yeezy 450 made by Adidas on the side. So, of course, here is the shoe. Yeah, this is definitely green. This shoe is green. It looks good though, I like it. I ordered a size 10.5 because my 350s I ordered in a 10, and I definitely should have gotten a half size up. I know people were saying that, but I was like, I'll wear a 10, so I'm gonna order a 10. That shoe is tight. I can still wear it, but it's tight. So I was like, let me not play with this one. I'm just gonna go ahead and get the half size up. This looks really, oh damn, I'm about to drop the shoe. This looks really dope. Like, I feel like the color is not what I expected, but it looks good. And it still acts, I feel like it would act as a neutral. Wait, is it the lighting? No, it's green. This shoe is green. It's like green with like a sandy approach. Maybe that's the word. No, that's not the word, but still. Yeah, so, okay, here's the one out. Yeah. So, these are the shoes together. I feel like they would look really cool. I like the style of the 450s. I feel like it's a really cool, like, I mean, it looks like, this shoe looks like it's like acid or something. What am I talking about? I don't know. I don't know, but no, I feel like the design is so cool. It looks extraterrestrial, futuristic. It's just a really dope design. I will absolutely be getting this shoe in black. So, Stockpile, if you want to send me the black pair, I will not reject them, I promise. But yeah, this is the shoe. This is the bottom. Alright. Okay. Alright, so yeah, I'm ready to go to brunch. So with that being said, there's the shoe. I am about to flip over real quick and try to piece together. I think I know what I'm gonna wear. This green is throwing me off though. I thought they were gonna be a little more brown, or tan. But yeah, we'll figure it out. Oh, low key. Boom. Okay, yeah. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this is the look that I put together. Like I said, I'm trying to go to brunch, so I just needed something really easy and quick. I was trying to find a different shirt and actually a different pair of pants too, but I think both of them are in the washing machine. So this. So I opted for just a white Calvin Klein shirt, something really easy and crisp. These are the carrot style pants from ASOS. Of course, the Yeezys. I think I'm going to put on these Bally frames. Oh my god, they look so bad. I took these on, oh my gosh. I took these on vacation and they have sand all over them, so I need to clean them real quick. But I think this is gonna be my frame. So yeah, this is the look completed. The shoes actually feel like they're fitting my feet like a glove. Like they feel snug on my feet. I feel like if I would have gotten my actual size, they would have definitely been too small. These fit perfectly. So I would say if you are considering these shoes, definitely size up at least a half size. I went up a half size. I wear a 10, but I got a 10 and a half, and I feel like they're perfect. So you may have to size up a half size or maybe even a whole size, but they fit really nicely. I actually like the color. I wanted to put on a green pair of pants to make sure that you guys could see the comparison of the shoes reported green color versus something that's actually green. And I think that you can actually see that the shoes kind of have a green hue to them. So there is the shoe. All right, I feel like if I really wanted to do the most, like if I just wanted to really give fashion, I could like throw this on, but I'm not gonna do this. Like I feel like this is doing a lot. And this is not how this ties on the side either, but I don't have time to do that. But that could even, is that a thing? Is that a look? Oh, wait. Now, hey, that could be a look. That could be a little moment. Wait a minute. Okay, now, I'm not doing it. Dang, now I gotta re-steam my shirt. Okay, whatever. Okay. Anyway, so that is it. That is the unboxing. Thank you again to Stockpile for the shoes. They are great. Like I said, I want that black pair now. Yeah. So, like, comment, subscribe, comment below, and let me know if you like the shoes, or you know, let me know if you actually think that they're green or not. I feel like they are, but maybe other people don't see it. But comment below and let me know if you plan to get these. And yeah, I will definitely be seeing you guys in the next video. I'm actually working on that video that's gonna be uploaded right after this one tonight. So I'll be seeing you guys in like, see y'all in a minute. Okay.